excellence starts early.
I can still remember the first day my dad turned in to the garage with 911. It was 30 years ago almost, and that was the day when I got fixed.
My dad is working my watch for 30 years. There was a chance that I see all the work here, I see the cars, and it was a dream for me to work here. And I saw my dad do it, I do it again.
Workers aren't the only ones wowed. The line is almost as fast as the car itself.
We have 118 stations, and check time right now about 3.7 minutes. We are talking about a lot of complexity and derivative on this one assembly line.
The amount of choice is overwhelming. They build 16 different variants of the 911. But it certainly didn't start out that way.